Concentrated with more grease cleaning power, so it can clean up to 2,000 more dishes. Dawn Platinum cleans more, so you save more.
How do you describe an exclamation point? Or something your eyes just can't believe? In Korean, that word is wa, and it's like wow, but more. Wa is a celebration and a promise. At Hyundai, WA is engineered into our vehicles and hardwired into our drivers. Nobody does WA like we do. Because WA is all we do. We make WA.
Ugstapated. Feeling of discomfort from constipation. Restorelax relieves constipation gently without causing gas, bloating, cramping, or sudden urge to go. Take comfort in Restorelax. Try Restorafiber Daily Gummies. Prebiotic fiber.
Don't eat them for the 100% whole grain oats. Don't eat them because they're made with oat fiber, which can help lower cholesterol. Eat them for the precious morning moments with her.
My window's like a mirrored reflection. I have to steer you in the right direction. I have to trust that we can find a way.
On every trip, you can depend on Esso to be the place between places, connecting you to what's next.
Wake up thinking fresh with Wendy's new Egg BLT. A freshly cracked Canadian egg, applewood smoked bacon, and greenhouse-grown lettuce and tomato on a fluffy croissant. Try one today and get $0 delivery on breakfast orders over $20 with Skip.
Event type: biological. This is a nationwide warning for Canada. Citizens are advised that the Canadian Food Inspection Agency and Health Canada have recalled many candy bars and snacks due to a confirmed case of a dangerous fungus inside. The items in question are the following: Tootsie Rolls, Eat More, Big Turk, Caramilk, Wunderbar, O. Henry, Mars Bar, Snickers, Twix, Milk Duds, Tootsie Roll Fruities, Aero Mini Bars, Coffee Crisp Mini Bars, Kit Kat Mini Bars, Smarties Mini Boxes, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, Mini Hershey Bars, Milky Way and Mars Fun Size, Crunch Mini Bars, Mr. Big Minis, O. Henry, Minis, Twix Fun Size, Snickers Fun Size, Starburst, Skittles, Hi Chew, Mentos, Sour Patch Kids Mini Packs, Swedish Fish Minisol, Tootsie Pops, Airheads, Jolly Rancher Chews. If you experience symptoms such as, but are not limited to, coughing up blood, difficulty breathing, vomiting blood, or nosebleeds, please call 911 immediately for medical assistance. If you or a loved one has any of these candies, return them to the store for a full refund. Under no circumstances should you eat the candy. Stay tuned for further information.
Type d'événement. Biologique. Avis national pour le Canada. L'Agence canadienne d'inspection des aliments et Santé Canada ont procédé au rappel de nombreuses barres chocolatées et collations en raison de la présence confirmée d'un champignon dangereux. Les produits visés sont les suivants: Tootsie Rolls, Eat More, Big Turk, Caramilk, Wunderbar, O. Henry, Mars, Snickers, Twix, Milk Duds, Tootsie Roll Fruities, Mini Bar Aero, Mini Bar Coffee Crisp, Mini Bar Kit Kat, Mini Boîte Smarties, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, Mini Bar Hershey, Milky Way et Mars Format Mini, Mini Bar Crunch, Mini Bar Mr. Big, Mini Bar O. Henry, Twix Format Mini, Snickers Format Mini, Starburst, Skittles, Hi Chew, Mentos, Mini Sachet Sour Patch Kids, Mini Bonbons Swedish Fish, Tootsie Pops, Airheads et Jolly Rancher Chews. Si vous présentez des symptômes tels que sens illimité, des crachats de sang, des difficultés respiratoires, des vomissements de sang ou des saignements de nez, veuillez composer le 911 immédiatement pour obtenir une assistance médicale. Si vous ou un proche possédez ces bonbons, veuillez les rapporter au magasin pour obtenir un remboursement complet. Il est absolument interdit de consommer ces bonbons. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
get bladder leaks.
It's just a new way of life for me. The Always Discreet pad is super comfortable.
It feels like it's barely there.
Look at how much it holds, and it still stays thin. I've looked at myself in the mirror, and I can't see it at all.
That's the protection we deserve.
Chevrolet